This how to 1 minute will show you how to add GTIN in Shopify product. Adding GTINs to your Shopify store is a very straightforward process. Just follow this step-by-step guide. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on products. Now click on that product where you want to add GTIN code. Scroll down and here you will get this inventory section and you will get the barcode ISBN UPC GTIN section. So in this box you have to enter your GTIN code, and that's it. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.